Hi everyone, I'm Maz from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. And today we are in CR Park showcasing a 160 square yard 3 BHK. And this is the property. You can see the outer facade has been made really elegantly. The color schemes used are really nice. And we'll be showcasing the upper ground floor today of this property. And it is a park facing property, plus the road that we are on, it is actually a one-way road. Because the entry gate is right behind you and the exit gate is opposite on the other side of the park. So let's go and see the upper ground floor. And in the parking you get one car parking. The servant rooms are at the back side and you get one car parking here, plus if you have two cars you can park one car outside right next to the park. So this is the floor that we were talking about. This is the upper ground floor and you enter right into the dining in the living area of the property. And just as you enter, this is supposed to be the dining area of this floor particularly, and all the floors actually, because it's a similar layout. Just because the builder has given this glass partitioned wall from the kitchen to this area, and he has also given a partition for to pass the plates and everything. So that is one reason you can have your dining area set up there. And this is the lounging area, the living area that can be set up here because there's a TV setup. Wiring system has been done over this side, and very nice fall ceiling work has also been done on both the sides. The air conditioners are still yet to be installed, so they are not here at the moment. Plus, you get a really huge window over this side with mosquito nets, and this is the door to the front side. A really nice big balcony you get here, and it's actually park facing, so you get a lot of greenery as well. And this road that you're seeing out here, it's actually one way, so there's no congestion as such over here. This is also connected to the guest room of this property. Let's see it from here only. Wooden flooring has been done in this room, plus you get a similar style of fall ceiling work. Air conditioner still not installed, and you get a couple of wardrobes here. So there's a lot of space in the wardrobe also for storage, and the attached washroom is just behind you. And this washroom is also a common washroom from the outside, so it's attached to this washroom, plus it's a powder room as well, where you get a shower cubicle, plus here's your wash basin and your WC plus your mirror. Let's see the other two rooms and the kitchen. Again, plenty of space to walk in the kitchen also, because you usually get this size kitchen in 200 square yard properties. So getting this size in a 160 square yard property is very rare, because the builder has given plenty of storages all around. You get your chimney and your stove pre-installed. You have space for your refrigerator on this side just as you enter, and there's space for the microwave and the oven as well. So this is the second bedroom, and a really nice color scheme has been used all throughout the house. Similar kind cream color has been used, and I really like the color of the wardrobe. Is really light pink, and multiple wardrobes have been given here by the builder. So these come with automatic lightings. Similar fall ceiling work in here also, all throughout the house. And this is the attached washroom with a really nice tile work in here in the shower cubicle. And just behind this gate is the wash basin with a really big space for all your utilities, and a really good space for the vanity as well. So this room is connected to the backside balcony, which is the where it is the washing area as well, and it's also connected to the master bedroom that I'll show you. So as you enter in this master bedroom, you get your wardrobes on the left hand side, just as you enter. So these are all the wardrobes that you get. So a lot of storage space has also been given, and there's a lot of space here actually to have a queen size bed over here. And there's a TV setup on this side. All the electricals have been given. This is the attached backside. And here is the washroom, attached washroom of this master bedroom. Again, really nice tile work used here in the shower area. And similar kind of a wash basin area has been given in this washroom as well. So all in all, it's a really nice property if you're looking for something like this, a small 3 BHK. Not a small, but if you have a small family, if you're looking to move into Delhi, many people coming from Noida or Gurgaon who are looking for something in South Delhi, they are looking for smaller size options, or even bachelors, they are looking for small size options in South Delhi. So this is one of the best options that you can explore. You can get it customized from the inside if you want as well. You want to get the kitchen extended, or you want to get this living room extended. Don't want this bedroom, that can be added up. It can be a part of the living area only, or you want the bedrooms on the back side. You want them to be conjoined. You can get the wall removed from between. So you can get different types of customizations done. You can make it into a 2 BHK, you can make it into a 1 BHK as well. That is up to you. And if you have any queries, you can contact us on the number. It's in the description below. And you can contact us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.